Nigo. Martin, ikaw ang mamimili kung sino ang gusto mong maunang kumanta.
Ako na lang po.
Okay, si Martin ang mauuna. Simulan na natin ang tapatan ng dalawang ito.
Ito ang round 4, Instanggalan. Martin versus Inigo.
Let the team clash begin!
Why don't you try to open up your heart? I will take so much of your time. Maybe it's wrong to say please love me too, 'cause I know you'll never do. Somebody else is waiting there inside for you. Baby, it's wrong to love you more each day, 'cause I know he's here to stay. But I know to you should belong. Maybe it's wrong to say please love me too, 'cause I know you'll never do. Somebody else is waiting there inside for you. And maybe it's wrong to love you more each day, 'cause I know he's here to stay. And the love is wrong. I don't know if this is wrong, but I know to whom you should belong.
Martin! Hi! How are you?
Okay na po na nakanta ko na po yung kanta.
Pakinggan natin ang ating clash panel. Ano po masasabi ninyo?
Hi, Martin!
Hello po, Ate Jillian.
Hello. Alam mo kapag nagpe-perform ka talaga, parang sobrang nagiging gaan yung feeling ng stage. Ganda talaga ng pagka-warm ng boses mo.
Thank you
Tapos,
po.
ang linis ng mga runs mo, para kang recorded. Naramdaman ko na in-enjoy mo talaga siya na hindi ka na kinakabahan.
Thank you po.
Congratulations! Ang galing mo, Martin!
Meron lang ako napansin, Martin, at yes, it was smooth, it was relaxed, na parang sanay ka na sa ginagawa mo. I think ang thing to improve lang is, ngayon medyo naghahanap ako ng konting hunger ng konting fight. Kasi parang it may be too relaxed for me. Pero you did well, you performed well, you charmed everyone. But remember, this is still a contest. Alright? Pero thank you for that performance.
Thank you po.
Hi Martin!
Hello po.
Na-feel ko na medyo nakampante ka na. Oo, magaling ka. Nakita ko yung mga performance mo before na talagang paangat ng paangat. And ngayon, mas nag-expect pa ako kasi since na-anim na lang kayo. So, ayun lang. Mas nag-expect pa ako ng more sa performance mo.
Thank you po.
Alright, pakinggan naman natin ang iyong kalaban. Ito ang round 4, Instanggalan, Inigo versus Martin. Let the team clash begin!
All these lines of her face carrying fever. The past is gone. It went by like dust to dawn. It's enough away. Everybody's got tattoos and likes to fade. I know nobody knows where it comes or where it goes. I know everybody sees you got to listen up. I'll sing with me, sing for the years, sing for the love, sing for the tears, sing with me just for today. Maybe tomorrow the good Lord take you away. Dream on, dream on, 징징함 예난 The good love will take you away.
Inigo! What's up, brother? Kamusta? How are you feeling?
Ayos na po.
Diba?
Wala nang kaba.
Oo nga eh. Tanungin natin ang Clash Panel kung ano man sabi nila sa performance mo. Clash Panel?
Inigo!
Hello po kay JL.
Alam mo, ito yung isa sa mga performances mo na hindi ko in-expect. Kasi nakita ko yung improvement mo simula nung duets nyo ni Jong. And talagang sinundan mo pa yun ngayon ng napakagandang performance. And pinakita mo talaga na patuloy ka sa pangarap mo. Tama ka nga. Dream on.
Thank you po.
Congratulations,
Thank you
Inigo.
so much po kay JL.
Hi, Inigo!
Hello, Ate Jill.
Ngayon ko na-feel na, hala, top 6 na lang pala talaga kayo and ngayon mo pinakita na talagang laban na laban ka. And as always, yung tone mo, ang ganda.
Thank you
talagang
po.
distinct. Kapag kumanta ka, alam namin na, ay, si Inigo talaga yung kumakanta.
Thank
so,
you po.
keep it up.
Brother, I like the risk na ginawa mo na talagang
Thank you so much.
merong kang push na pinakita sa lahat. Yan ang inaasahan namin lagi in a competition na talagang laging may laban. Kahit tahimik yung kanta, laging may laban. Kahit kailangan intimate, mafe-feel namin yung laban. So yun ang pinakita mo sa amin ngayon.
Thank
Salamat.
you so much po.
Thank you, Clash Panel. Good job, bro. Ang desisyon ng ating Clash Panel sa pagbabalik ng The Clash Teens is sa Laban sa Lahat!
Welcome back, Clash Nation! Alamin na natin ang kapalaran ng dalawang Clashers na naglaban. Clash Panel, sino kina Inigo at Martin ang makakabalik sa top of the Clash?
Para sa akin, ang nangibabaw ngayong gabi ay si Inigo.
One vote for Inigo.
Okay, my vote will go to Martin.
Alright, kay Martin. Jill?
My vote goes to... Inigo.
Inigo! Congratulations! Makakabalik ka na sa top of the Clash!
Kinabukasan kay tagal nang hinahanap.
Congratulations pa rin. Palakpakan natin si Martin.
Martin!